We are here in Mantova. It's a special race for us. It's a home GP. We celebrate for this race 20 years from the World Championship of Kiko Chiodi back in 1999. Kiko was riding for our team. My daddy was a team manager back in that age. And for this time, all the team we race with special plastics, graphics, and clothing. It's crazy, just great be here and have two very fast boys like Maddii and Alberto with red plate in the European Championship. So it's everything together this year, and we are very happy to celebrate this special occasion.
It's a good pleasure to be here, especially in the GP of Italy with Maddii to show my champion bike, and that is a really good feeling. To compare now from 99, they changed a little bit, but it's not so different. So the bike is a bike. Of course, the suspension is not like the new one. But I think in the national championship, it stays a really good bike. It's a pleasure to be a last champion with Husqvarna. So, and now I hope also for the Husky, they win again.